Hi everyone, my name is Abel Grey Cantoma from Greatest Design Consult. This is my WhatsApp contact. You can reach me on this number. You can call me. Okay. Today I'm going to be showing you a very great software for rendering, Twinmotion. Okay. So you can see this model we have here on SketchUp here. The first thing you do is to go under your file here and you click export. You click on 3D model. Now this is what I saved this model as sample design. You can change the name if you wish to. Save as type. Okay, so here is very important. It recognizes FBX file. Okay, so .fbx, that is what you are going to export this file as. Okay, so when you click on export, it will export as an XBX file. It's going to take a little time to export, so I'm not going to do that right now. I have exported it already. So once you export, you go to the software called Twinmotion. Here I have 2019. We have 2021 is available. I think that's the latest version right now. I don't know if 2022 is out, which I'm not sure of. But the 2021 is very much available already. Okay, so this is actually the Twinmotion. Is very easy to actually use. You can see Twinmotion is actually loading in the background. If you already love what you're seeing, why not just like this video, just give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel. It's actually free. Click on the bell icon so as for you to get a notification whenever I post videos. I post videos like this on a weekly, sometimes on a daily, just to encourage as many that actually want to have a deeper insight of design. Now you can see the navigation here. This is very important. You should take note of this. You can see if you are moving forward, it's actually W. If you are going backward, it's actually S. You're going left side is A. You're going right side is D. Okay, if you're going up or down, if you're going up is Q, you're going E, down is E. Okay, so as simple as that. So I'm going to skip this right now. So the next thing here I will do is to import my file, but before importing, I'm coming here. You see a tree line by the left hand corner of my screen. If I click here, you're going to see preference. I'll click on preference here, and here you can actually change your units. To my unit here is in meters. I'm going to be using meters. This software is very easy to use. Okay, timestamp, okay, reference pro, all these I'm going to leave it as default. This is custom part, okay, where your files are going to be saved. You can see it's under user here, document, Twinmotion and all that. You can change that part if you actually want to. Okay, so here save. Let me come down here at an interval of 3 meters. This is automatically going to save. If I click on auto save, so it's going to save every 15 minutes. Is going to automatically save by itself. The number of copies here, I can reduce that to 1, or let me make it 2. Okay, I'm going to leave it as 2. So export here, I'm going to leave it as it is. So here now, this is under my settings. If I come down to my quality, the quality will determine how clear is actually going to appear on your system. So I have my view distance, I made it ultra. Ultra is the highest. We have low, we have medium, we have high, we have ultra. So ultra will take more time for it to actually render. So the high, it's actually the one before the ultra. So I choose to leave mine as this. I'm going to leave this as ultra as well. I'm just going to leave only this as this. Okay, so it depends on your system configuration. So if you know your system configuration is not very high, I will advise you leave it at a very low quality. Okay, so if your system configuration is high, you can actually, if your RAM size is high, your graphics, not graphics, your RAM size is high, and then your um, processor is high, you can leave it as ultra or high. Okay, so it's required. It does not really, the good thing about this Twinmotion is that it does not really require dedicated graphics card. Okay, it's not unlike the way Lumion and then V-Ray is like. Okay, so I think this does not really require any graphics. Okay, so with this you can achieve whatever you want to achieve. um, View this post processing. Okay, so this is how it is. I'm going to leave it as it is. Appearance here, my language is English, of course. Color interface, I'm going to leave it as dark, but you can switch it. You can see we have light, we have dark, we have different languages here. We have Dutch, we have Espanol, we have France, Portugal. These other ones I don't understand it. Okay, all right, so I'll click on import. So I'm going to import my file right now. Your file, I'll click on open. It's under document. The name of that file is sample file. So this is FBX. If you check, you see FBX, and I'll click on open. And then I will click on OK. So it will take a while for it to finish importing this file. Like you know, we have covered up to 25 different softwares on our YouTube channel. We've covered softwares for structural design, for architectural designs, mechanical and electrical service drawings. Okay, we've covered road designs and water designs. They are very much available on our YouTube channel. All you need to do is just to go down below the description of this video. You'll find a link to that channel. Make sure you visit the channel and keep yourself busy. There is a whole lot you can actually learn on that channel. Okay, so just click on the red button written subscribe, and you have subscribed already. Okay, it's actually 100% free. You can just like this video, just give it a thumbs up. You can drop a comment down below. Okay, if you actually want to learn from us, you can learn from us, where we teach on our Telegram platform. Okay, we'll teach you, we'll guide you on how to actually install all of this softwares successfully. You can see our file has actually been imported. You can see here written down below here FBX. Okay, so sample design, that is the name of this file. Okay, so our drawing is already, our model is already here. All I need to do is just to zoom. So you can hold on control, hold on shift, okay. This is our model. Okay, so you can use the D to move rightward by the right side. It's just like you are playing a game. You can click on A to move left, D right. Okay, you can see or if you check your keyboard, they are all around the same area. W to go forward, S to go backward. Very interesting, honestly. Okay, just like we are playing a video game. So you can see our model here. Let me go this way, and then I'll click on W to go forward. I'll click on D to go by the right side, W forward, just like you are playing a game, S to go backward a bit. Okay, I'll click on Q to go up elevation. Okay, yeah, I'm doing it better now. I'll click on D to go by the left hand side. So if I want to upbeat this a bit, it's just to hold on my shift and hold on my, and then I will right click just to twist it a bit so that I can okay, click on Q, click on D, okay, click on E to go down. Alright, W a bit, Q. I'm finding this interesting, honestly. Okay, so you can see the software is a software you can learn in very few minutes. Okay, it's actually not difficult to learn. So let's come here now to our import here. If you click by the left hand side corner down, you'll see 3 lines here. If I click there, okay, sorry, let me come back here first. You see like a little arrow pointing your right hand side here. If you can see my cursor, if I click on this here, I have my materials here. I can actually add materials. I can add trees, these are vegetations, the landscape. Okay, I can add vehicles. So let me add like one of this car here. You can see we have different we have a car here, but it's looking very small. Okay, let me go up here, go up here. You can see I have furnitures here. This is actually a city. I have different types of bench here. Okay, I'm probably going to maintain most of the materials I already have here on my design, so because I actually want this video to be very brief. Okay, so you can see I have different types of light here. I have, so if I scroll down, so I can add lightning to my model. like I said, I'm going to make this very brief, so I may most likely not use because I don't want this video to be very long. Use library. Okay, I have character there. Let's say I have this. The man is actually there. It's looking very small. Go D, go W, so from your settings you can actually make this very big. You can make this man bigger than this, so I may not really go deep into all of that right now. So there's a whole lot of editing I need to do here. Okay, Q. Okay, let me just render this way. Let me rotate this a bit. Okay, let's go to I'm going to render this right now. I can play around with the weather. So I can play around with the weather here, either make it increase or make it look rainy or it's sunny and all that. Okay, so I'm definitely not going into that right now. So I will make this as a picture first before rendering. So I'll click on create image. So this is the image. I'll take out one of this. I think I made them two. So I'll now go down here and I'll click on image here and I'll select this image one, because if you come back here, this image we created is actually image one. If you check down here, written image one. So here we selected image one and we can click on start export. Okay, I'll name this sample 3D. So sorry, I will select a folder for this. So 2-bedroom duplex, I'm going to just put it in that folder. So you can create a special folder for all your rendering. Okay, so it will actually take a while for it to actually finish rendering. So if you love what you're seeing, please make sure you like this video just give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to this channel, it's actually free. Click on the bell icon so as for you to get a notification whenever I post videos. I post videos like this on a weekly, sometimes on a daily, just to encourage as many that actually want to have a deeper insight of design. So we just finished rendering that. Let me go down and look for this 2-bedroom duplex. It's here. I don't think this time is correct. This is 133. I'm supposed to give that a different name. Okay, I think this is it. 133.28.4. If you check the date here and time, so this is it. Alright, so we just rendered this right now. If you love what you are seeing, please like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel. It's actually free. Okay, there's a whole lot of editing I need to do here. You can see this here, it has expired, it's missing here, and well, there's a whole lot. I need to fix the cars inside, this human being here, but it's just a quick one just to show you how this software actually really works. It's actually very, very simple to actually work with. Okay, so that is that. So make sure you stay safe and make sure you stay blessed. Okay.